Hey guys, it's Whitney, and today we are doing a Valentine's Day eye makeup tutorial using the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is a super smoky, sultry eye look, so girl, if you are going out with your man on Valentine's night, this might be the look for you. So if you want to see how we did this, then keep on watching and let's get started. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you know all my new uploads. I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Also, if you're liking the video while you're watching it, please give me a big thumbs up. It makes my day and it makes me so happy. First, I'm gonna go in with a big fluffy brush in the color Silk Cream. So we're putting this Silk Cream color into the crease and really working it up to the brow bone. This is an amazing transition color. It will help us blend out all our other eyeshadows. We're going to use the same fluffy brush and go into the color called Butter. We're going to start out this color in the crease. And once we have it all in the crease and our brush is mostly clean, we can blend it on up into that first color that we used. I have quite hooded eyes, so if you do not need to bring it all the way closer to the brow bone, but because I do have hooded eyes, I do like to bring up that color so I can see it when I'm looking head on or straight forward. I'm getting some of the color called Pukey with a Sigma E25. And with this color, we're just gonna place it on the outer corner here. Slightly bring it up into the crease. Lightly go over that with the big fluffy brush. And I'm barely even touching my eye right here. Now we're gonna go in with the color Mocha with the E25. And for this, I'm just really wanting to darken up this outer corner before we start working on the lid. Going in with the Jaclyn Hill JH34, we're gonna just kind of blend this out just slightly. Now that we have that super smoky, I'm gonna take some of the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Black Bean, and I'm just going to place this onto my lid. So we're gonna just paint this on to the lid. Now that we have that all over the lid, we're gonna go in with a beautiful color from this palette, and that is right here. It's called Enchanted, with just a flat shader brush. It's very, very flat. And we're gonna just start packing this on to our black base. This is like a really, really dark green color. So pretty. Next, we're gonna go in with the same brush in the color Diva. This is such a beautiful color. We're gonna go in with a pencil brush in the color Abyss, and we're just going to place this right here in the crease. Then we're gonna go in with our Jaclyn Hill blending brush and very lightly blend these edges. Going back in with the color Pukey and going over top of this as well, kind of blending and meshing this all together, just on the very edge. And go back in and place some more Diva onto the lid. I'm going to take a little concealer and clean up these edges to give it a more sharper look. I love doing this after doing smoky eyes, it kind of just cleans everything up and gives you that lift. And then we can go back and kind of blend out right here just slightly so it's not so harsh of a line where we had that concealer. So we're going to add Beam right up here underneath the brow bone. Next, I'm going to take the Rimmel Exaggerate eyeliner in black, and I'm just going to do my top and bottom. Taking a MAC 231 with the color Enchanted. I'm going to take the E25 with the color Pukey. And then I'm going to run this right here. I'm going to add some of my Physicians Formula liner to my top line, and I will be right back. I'm applying some of the Maybelline Colossal mascara. I'm adding on some of the Kiss Ritzy lashes, and I'll be right back. I'm going to add last some of that highlight color Beam right here on the inner corner to brighten it up just a little bit. So here is the finished look, and I am in love with this look. It looks so pretty. I love these colors, especially how we layered it on the lid, and these lashes are gorgeous. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I will see you guys in my next new video. Bye!